Dallas Ball Club Season 8 Bullets versus Team Jackie Jones. Jackie Jones ball. Ilago to Busing, naklag, daklag to Nagita, pass to number 13, defense, Busing daklag, Nagita to Monte Alegre, Nagita for 3, bang, Nagita, 3 points, nice shot. Jersey number 3, pass sa ilalim, ay, symbol. Number 3, jump shot, sure. Ay, rebound by Ilago. Nice rebound. Ilago. Nakuha ni Ayaka. Nakuha ni Espanyol. Ayaka. Goal, it's ball. Defense by Nagita. Tas kay kamot. Busing daklag. Oy, sa gilid. Daklag. Busing. Jersey number 3. Number 3. Pass to Espanyol. Wala, mapasan na yun. Number 3 pa rin. Number 3. Pass to Espanyol. Espanyol, giampuan ang bola. Masyat magdili. Oh! 3 points by Espanyol. May shooter mo ni Espanyol. 3 run ba?
Giampuan mga bola doon.
Ha?
Murid. Naman siguro?
Daklag. Ay! Pumawi si Busing daklag. Nice shot. Ika doon? Ika?
Kuan ba? Giampuan mga bola. Kana kayo mong mo ba? Paila, giampuan ang bola.
Ay, defense by Nagita. Pass break by Busing daklag. Back to back shot by Busing daklag. Time out, 10 bullets. Back to back shot by Busing. Score 3-8 ang score in favor of Jackie Jones. Lagat dribble the ball. Lagat pass to Ilago. Pass to Ilago. Adun si Ilago to na. Lagat! Domiretso na! Lagat! Wabi, kalutaw si Lagat, bay! Monte Alegre. Pass to jersey number 13. Pass to Nagita. Pass to Nagita. Pass to... Wala ka! What a nice pass by Monte Alegre! Aper. Number 3 to Lagat. Way kapasahan. Pass to number 3. What a nice pass by Lagat! Wapi nga pasa, bay! Monte Alegre to jersey number 13. Pass to Nagita to Monte Alegre. Defense by Espanyol. Pass back by jersey number 28. Easy score! Nice one. Okay, defense. Ilago, nakirig. Jersey number 13. Pass to Monte Alegre. Pass to number 13. Ilago. Wow! What a nice shot by Ilago! Jersey number 3. Traveling. Sama to, travel?
Traveling violation.
Go defense. Nagita crossover. Pass to Busing, daklag sa gilid. Ay, wala. Nice rebound, Espanyol. Number 3 to 28. Uy, ay ka. Sorry. 13
second personal ball, second team ball.
Symbol, position. Team, bullets. Lagat, dribble na ball. Way kapasan. Lagat, paso. Number 3. Nangitsag 3. Wala. Rebound by jersey number 13. Uy, alakar. Wala bay. Nagita. Na Meretso. Wala. Rebound by Monte Alegre. Pass to Busing Daklag. Daklag sa gilid. Bang! Busing Daklag. Nice shot. Lagat driven the ball. Lagat, babawi, wala, Espanyol. Ay ka, foul. Boom! Shot unta. Number 3. Pass to Lagat. No, mere. Ay, wala. Espanyol. Uy! Gibali mo. Nice shot. Jersey number 13. Marata. Pass to Ilago. Milo. Ilago pass to Monte Alegre for 3. Wala. Rebound by Lagat. Arado. Foul. Counted. Hapit. Monte ka na. Ay. Apeng. Shot! Ilago to Monte Alegre, wala. Rebound by Ilago, foul. Espanyol. Ilago, free throw, shot doha. Uy, ay ka. Sorry. Isa lang. Shot! Nice one. Lagat, they bring the ball. Lagat, pass to jersey number 3. Ningay chak 3. Wala. Rebound by Lagat. Nice rebound. Lagat! Nice rebound by Lagat. Time out, Team Jackie Jones. Wapo na kindula ang score. Iguales 15. 15 all.
32 seconds.
Ilago dribbling the ball. Ilago do Meretso, wala. Nakuha ni Monte Alegre. Nagita. Tento shoot. Nagita do Meretso. Wala. Rebound by Ilago. Wala. Defense by Espanyol. Pass break by jersey number 3. Why? Nawala bay. Arado. Uy, alanganin bay. Sorry.
Time for the first quarter.
Time for first quarter. Lamang og duha ang Bullets. Duha rin lamang. Hey, Del. Time, second quarter. Jackie Jones versus Bullets. Canlas do, Meretso na. Nice moves by Canlas. Jersey number 27. Pass to jersey number 10. Foul. Oy, ay. Foul. Itcha. Shot.
First team foul.
Agay.
First
Shot, bay. Isa lang. Nice one. Oba. Pass to jersey number 18. Pass to number 45. Pass. Ay ka. Defense by Busing. Jersey number 22. Kusog ibudagan. Number 22. Ay, defense. No, sorry. Symbol. Nice defense. Jackie Jones ball. Pass, ay ka, habog na kayo bay. Maraon, nice defense by jersey number 18. Number 18, jump shot sa gilid. Woy, nice shot! Jersey number 27. Pass to number 10. Number 10 to Maraon. Maraon Galisod, di ka itsak. Number 10. Way kapasahan. Busing, number 22, pick. Number 22, pass to Kobe. Save the ball! Sorry. Okay ra, bawi lang.
Merto.
Uy, pre. Fair play. Mangaon mo? Mangaon? Wala. Mangaon ba sila?
Sila.
Nice defense! Number 2 dito. Usag imudagan. Ay ka. Nagpaniyo babay. Jersey 45. Neng Toyok. What a nice pass! Nice pass. Kanang bullets og
Bullets.
Jackie Jones. Jersey 27 to Maraon Galisod good. Canlas. Paso number 32, foul. Apit ma-counted. Ayay gigawas. Relax. Score. Ayay. Gusto kinamudagan, no? Loh. Wow, baby, kusog kayo nga tao na. Canlas. Ay, wala. Canlas. Defense. Ayay ka. 3 seconds ba? Time out. Jackie Jones. 23-18 ang score. Jackie Jones, ball. Jersey number 27, dribbling the ball. Jersey number 27, pass to Maraon. Pass sa gilid. Ayay ka. Defense by Jersey. Ayay ka. Whoop. Ay, sayang. Okay ra, bawi lang. Sige lang. Dipinsa lang gihapon. Oh, nice one. Canlas. Why? Nice moves unta kayo.
All this second personal foul, second team foul. First throw, no good.
Malas sila free throw bay. Nice block. Ay. Ilang. Oba. Milo, Oba. What a nice pass. Diara, Canlas. No, merecho, wala. Canlas pa rin. Tracy, foul. Counted.
Basket foul.
May kasamang foul. 32 mana. $39 daw, basta 32. Jersey number 10, dribbling the ball, number 10. Nagdali, pass to Maraon. Ay, patay na. Wala. Rebound by Kobe. All by Oba. Ilang, nice defense. Boseng for 3. Short, gamay. Rebound, jersey number 32. Jersey number 8. Pass to Oba. Oba, nangita kapasan. Oba, pass sa ilalim. Number 18. Why? Nice shot.
Red Sox 2 minutes for the second quarter.
Number 10. Number 10. Pass to Maraon. Ay, minalas ang ating idol. Why? Foul counted! Busing! May kasamang foul! Maraon, Sharo. Wara. Time out. 10 bullets. 27-23. Apat na lang ang lamang sa 10 bullets. Oba dribbling the ball. Oba pass to jersey number 45. Number 45. Nangita kapasan. Pass number 18. Pass to Canlas. Oy, nice teamwork. Nice teamwork kayo. Jersey number 10. Jersey number 10. Jersey number 10. Number 10 to Busing. Busing pick. Uy, nakulusot. Ay, ka-symbol. Kobe, pass to jersey number 27. Wala, foul Canlas. Tulog.
Following jersey number 29.
Foul.
34.
Warning, technical, Canlas.
Jersey number 29, one towards the
Uy, habog ra, nice one. Jersey number 18. Uy, nice block. Nice block.
inside 6 seconds. 10 to shoot.
Canlas. Oy, wala. Defense by Busing. Atag ko Number 10. Number 10 to Maraon. Ay, patay na. Maraon! Nice shot.
10 seconds.
Canlas. Ay, defense ba? Sayang. Number 10. Yun yung oras. Uy, hapit.
For the second quarter.
Time for second quarter. 29-25. Lamang bullets kung 4. Time for third quarter. Mo free throw atong Busing Daklag kay kulang ang kalaban. Busing Daklag. Woy! Nice shot! Isa pa! Shot! Oy! Nice one! Isa pa! Complete! Uy! Complete kaya ba? Ang Pikas, pelay free throw. Woy! Nice shot! Isa pa! Shot! Ay! Isa! Nice one! Agay! Hangyo pagyud niya. Uy! Wala na. Score 32-28. Lamang ang team bullets ug 4. Let's go, third quarter. Busing, Daklag. Daklag. Daklag to Ilago. 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 Domerecho. Uy, wala. Uy. Stem bullets ball. Oba. Oba. Pasa ilalim. Arado. 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 Arado to layo kayo. Uy, naigong ulo. Ilago. Ilago to number 13. Marata. Marata to bossing Daklag. Daklag. Ay! Nice shot by Daklag. Sure kay kilid oy. Oba. Oba. Ay ka defense. Jersey number 27. Ay, kusog ra kayo. Sorry. Sab lagat. Here's number 7. Nice one! Foul counted! May kasamang foul! Jersey number 28. Okay, sure.
First personal foul, first team foul.
Relax. Uy! Iya pa rin! Nice one! Oba! Jersey number 7. Pass to Gumapo. Pass to jersey number 7. Ayay ka. Di kahit siya. 3 seconds. Bossing. Daklag. Pass to Ilago. Domerecho. Wala. Rebound. Foul. Uy!
Following jersey number 7. Second rule of the England violation.
Travel to? Oy, travel. Gay defense. Defense.
Following jersey number 18. First personal foul, second team foul. Time to shoot.
Nice one.
Still number 18. Time out. 10 bullets. Jackie Jones. Score 34-32. Lamang duha ang 10 bullets. Oba. Pass to number 28. Wala. Rebound by jersey number 7. Number 7. What a nice pass! Why? Sayang. Rebound by bossing Daklag. Jersey number 27. Foul. Foul jersey number 7. Second personal foul, third team foul.
Bossing Daklag. Pass to Ilago. Nice pass. Marata. Gumapo. Gumapo, wala. Rebound by Ilago. Foul.
Time out.
Time out. Team Bullets. Score Iguales. Tie. 34-34 all. Daklag, pass to Ilago, Domerecho, Ilago, wala! Uy, nice rebound! Foul by Ilago. Foul. Bola. Lagat dribbling the ball. Lagat, pass to Gumapo, pass to jersey number 7. Ningay sa 3. Uy, wala! Rebound! Marata to jersey number 91. Oy, traveling violation. Gumapo to Lagat. Ningay sa 3. Oy, wala. Rebound by 91. Number 7 for 3. Uy, wala, short. Nakuha na Ilago ang bola. Ilago to jersey number 27. Paso Daklag. Uy, wala. Igawas ang bola. Defense. Lagat. Uy, kapasahan. Ay. Ilago, Domerecho, wala. Foul. Foul Ilago, foul. Why? Nice block. Marata, Ilago, nangita kapasan. Paso jersey 91. Laga to number. Nice pass. Gumapo. Gigawas. Nice pass by Lagat. Gwapo yung dula ba? Dikit kayo na. Gwapo yung dula ba? Ge, tulo lang. Dua. Tulo lang.
Walis na ugat.
Perfect. Ilago. Seconds to play in third quarter. Number 28. Expensive foul ba? Karo kayo.
Expensive foul. Number 28. Second personal foul.
Boseng Daklag pick. Alaka. Daklag. Oy, wala. Gumapo. Uy, foul. Sabi nga dola ba, gwapo kayo. All score 36 all.
13 yung fourth personal foul. Warning for foul out. Warning for team penalty. to connect 1 point. Minutes time 20 seconds.
Out Ilago.
Same ball position. Shot clock 14.
Nice pass. Ay, sayang. Ilago. Nice defense. Symbol.
Same ball position. 6 seconds.
6 seconds. Duck lag. Short. Nakuha na Ilago. Wala oras. Kira.
Remaining score 37 against 36. 1 point lead. Bullets.
Bullets ang lamang isa. Final quarter. 37-36 ang score. Lagat for 3. Short. Rebound by jersey number 10. Nageta. Pass to Monte Alegre. Pass to Maraon. Oy, wala. Rebound by jersey number 36. Number 6 to Canlas. Dumiretso na. Canlas. Monte Alegre to jersey number 10. Jersey number 10. Ay ka defense. Symbol.
Shot clock 10. Time to shoot.
Oy, ay ka nagisod man.
5 to shoot.
3 seconds ba?
3 seconds violation.
Jersey number 6 dribbling the ball. Pass to Canlas, pass to Espanyol, pass to Canlas, nangita kapasahan, mo itcha baka ni Igdele, ning itcha na lang kayo kapasahan, wala, rebound by Boseng, jersey 22. Pass to Nagita, ning crossover, defense, nakuha ni jersey number 10, symbol, position. Monte Alegre to jersey number 10. Number 10. Gisaliptan ko si Ripere. Di ko kabidyo. Number 10. Maksog itcha. Pass to Boseng. Pick. Wala ka. Side step. What a nice pass! Wow! Wapo nga pa sabay. Nice pass pa do. Oh, bigwapo kay mga pasabay. Sub. Lagat. Canlas. Diretso foul. Counted.
There's a foul. Foul by jersey number 10. Third personal foul, first team foul. First through, no good. Second throw, Yapon.
Out Spanyol.
Same ball position, shot clock limit.
Symbol. Lagat. Lagat pa rin. Uy, ay ka, short. Uy, wala ba? Ay, foul.
Foul by jersey number 92. First person. First through, no good. Second throw, no good. Dominating 21. Substitution number 3,
Malas.
79.
Ay, malas gid bay. Malas. Ay, out Monte Alegre. Magawas pa siya. Sakpan.
Substitution number 2.
Oy, foul bay.
There's a foul. Foul in jersey number 10. 10, you have fourth personal foul. First group, we have 1 point. Last throw not counted. Free throw violation.
Ay ka.
Turnover. Jersey number 14.
Oy! Giitsa
Second violation.
pa to niya na. Wala ron to.
Jersey number 6.
Espanyol.
Sir.
Why! Guwapo kayo. Guwapo kayo.
Mr. Magisto. Following jersey number 3, substitution left. 3 first personal foul. Second team foul, substitution left. Jersey number 29, stands to shoot. Substitution number 21. There is a foul, following jersey number 18. 18, third personal foul, 13 foul. Substitution left. Jersey number 14 to shoot.
Okay, defense bay. Nagita. Ilago. Ay! Ilago! Nice shot! Ay, ka sayang.
Jersey number 14. Foul still, jersey number 18.
Guwapo kayong lola bay.
Where is jersey number 18?
40 to, 40.
Time out, Bullets.
Team Bullets time out.
Number 19, that's first one by foul.
Duha ang lamang.
No free throws.
Nice one!
1 point.
Isa lang gat! Uy!
Simple position. Last 2 minutes.
Ay, ka. Iban by Lagat. Pass Espanyol. Jersey 32. Pass to number 18. Ningicha. Oy, wala. Rebound. Ay, ka.
There's a foul. Following jersey number 6. Second
Nice defense by Nagita. Lagat sa lalim. Pass to jersey number 18. Number 18. Ay, wala. Rebound by number 6. Ay, wala. Nice rebound by Nagita. Number 22. Pass to Maraon. Maraon! Wala pa rin ako na play itong ngayon. Okay, travel pagid ba? Lamang isa ang kwan, Jackie Jones. Wala pa rin ako na play itong ganina. Katong Maraon isa, gihahak. Na-post man di ay. Gwapo yung dola ba eh. Lamang na isa ang Jackie Jones. Ilago. Ay, uy, nagsab. Kondisyon kayo, mente aligre ha. Di kanya ihatag ang bola bay. Tay napili ba yung bullet sa niyo, wala ginada. No, napasa. Uy, Paul.
Paul jersey number 18.
Sayang, napasa.
Second personal foul, warning penalty, both teams.
43, 44. Lamang o isa ang team Jackie Jones. Ayay, wala. Relax lang, relax lang.
First throw no good. Second throw connect 1 point.
44 or. Ayay ka. Ilago, nice rebound.
Thank you.
Grabe nga dola bay. Grabe nga. Uy! Grabe nga dola bay. Gwapo kayo na. Time out, time out, time out, time out.
29 seconds. Last 25 seconds. Last 15 seconds.
Nagita sa jersey number 10. Pass to Bosing. Pick number 22. Oy! Sayang.
Last 10 seconds.
Ball content. 5 seconds, 5 seconds.
Second personal foul.
5 seconds. Lamang isa.
Apa isa? Apa isa? Apa isa ka tayo mo? Apa isa ka tayo mo? Apa isa ka tayo mo?
Ay ka.
Time penalty.
Gidaog yun sila bay.
Penalty, penalty.
45, 44.
Penalty, penalty. Last 3 seconds, last 3. Connect 1 point.
Lamang din sila bay. Wapa kayong dula na. Murag si Palma. 3 seconds sa 3 seconds. 3 seconds. Rawa. Nagita. Ay! Nice game kayo, nice game. Nidaog yun ang bullets. Nice game, nice game.
Sa kanya sa 4 winner, Bullets.
Gani.